Hello, transformation. Welcome back to my channel. As you guys know, I have so many requests for me to do an eyeliner like this 101. So I'm going to show you guys how I draw my eyeliner, and most of the time be freehanded, but I'm going to show you different hacks to do it. So stay tuned and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you want to see more videos like this, get this video up to 100 views, and let's get into it. Okay, guys, so you guys been asking me how to do eyeliner 101. So I have my eyeliner pen here. So if you have something like this, like a Carmex or something old, you can use this as a guide to draw your eyeliner. Okay, so I'm going to place it here, and I'm going to take my top off of my eyeliner. I'm using All Day Ink Eyeliner Waterproof by IMV Kiss Professional. So I'm going to stick it here, and I'm going to draw so it can be nice and precise. Then I'm just going to go in to make it a little bit thicker. That's it. I'm not going to go all the way down, but I just want to give you guys how it should look, right? It's okay if it's a little wiggly because a lot of people don't know how to draw eyeliner. So the next step is to use some concealer to clean it up, and it shouldn't matter. Now, you can do this trick too. So you can use the same end that you did that on. Apply a little bit of the concealer like that. And then what you're going to do, you're going to put it right where you want it. You can have it low like that or high up. So you can do that. See? And then now you can use a sponge. And then you're just going to dab and come down. And you can also use tape, but I don't have any tape, so I'm kind of mad about that. So you can do that and see how easy that was to like line it up. So it don't have to always be perfect. And then I know at the top it's not even, so just take your time, fill it in just like that. And that's how you get your liner. So that's how you get that one. So this is look one. Look number two is I usually just do it freehand. So I'm going to show you guys the outcome of doing your eyeliner free-handed as well. All right. So I usually just go by the inner outer corner of my eye. So I just usually just draw like that, free-handed, and then come back like that. So you can close your eyes and do that again. See how easy? It don't have to be real long, drastic long like I have mine. You can just do it like that. You can do it a little short. Now, if you do want to extend it, just go by the end. Just take one stroke, like going back a little bit, go back, and go back. And that's it. And that was like the easiest one to do. So the free-handed, have the concealer on. I mean, that's how you do it, right? So I like this one too. So you guys tell me which one you guys like, the freehand or the one you can use the end of like your Carmex or eyeliner. Next one, you can use like a box to help you eyeliner. I mean, eyeline. To do the eyeliner. So you can have it here. You can have it like there. Press against your skin and just draw it out. And see. And it's not going to be perfect, but you can go in like that. Now, when you do have it big like this, all you have to do is just use some concealer. Just go underneath like that. But tape would be better. I just don't have it. I'm sorry. I thought I had some, but I don't, unfortunately. The tape would be better because it help cleans the eyeliner and everything. But I mean, either way, you can do a box. And all you gotta do is just clean it with concealer. So it just kind of just make it straight so it won't be wiggly and things of that nature. And that's it on that. Maybe you can do this like by connecting the dots. So we can do an angle. We're gonna do it like to the end point of the eyebrow. So we're gonna draw a little dot here. And we could put it right close to the liner part in here. So you can do it like that. And then just connect it like that, right? Now you probably say, why you do it like that? So you can do it like this. At the top, all you have to do is blend that in. Just blend that in. See? You can do it like that. And then you can also fix it if you don't like the little square part at the bottom. Add a little concealer. Right there. That's it. And blend it out. Just take your time. You can use an angle brush or you can just use this little sponge, but I would suggest you can do an angle brush and then go in with the sponge. So that's it, you guys. See how easy? So you can do the little dot, or you can do the tape, or you can do like the little box, or you can use like the little end of like the little Carmex or concealers to outline your liner. So I hope this tutorial did serve some purpose. It's not hard. You just take your time and just make sure you gravitate and that you guys can just do the outliner. It's no such thing as having a perfect outliner. Just take your time of doing it and you would get it right. So you can have it up like this or you can have it kind of down. So it just depends of your liking and what you like. So I hope this tutorial became very helpful to everyone on this platform, my members. So if you do want to decide to do an eyeliner, this is the best technique. So tell me what you guys like. Which one did you really like the most? And if you guys want to see more makeup looks and hacks, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below and get this video up to 100 views. And I will see you guys in the next one. Until next time, ciao.